Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get a crown for your Bitmoji. Okay, so tap on your Bitmoji icon on the top left corner of the screen. Okay, now tap on your avatar. Okay, now on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see fashion, just up there. Okay, now here slide until you see headgears. Okay, now you can do a filter here. Just tap on the filter, then select costume and apply. Okay, now you got this crown. Okay, select it and you can change the color. Okay, on the right side you have this color selectors. Okay, once you are okay with the color, you can hit the save button. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get a crown for your Bitmoji. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.